definite separate, no. Welcome back, lovelies. If I'm not looking at the camera and I'm looking over there, I'm sorry. I'm not used to my phone being on a handheld tripod, you know. But anyways, I'm going to show you what we're working with today. We're going to hopefully finish off our transformation video where we're putting our makeup from these into this. Now remember, we already did these 4 drawers. Eyeshadow face palettes, all ColourPop, all bigger palettes, this was all Jeffree Star, but I needed more room, so I put some things with it. So now we're working on this drawer and this drawer. And so that's what we're going to do. I've noticed my thing is leaning a little bit, but it's not the product's, you know, fault. It's because of my floor. It is uneven. By the way, guys, look at my toenails. They look good. So, let's get into it. I'm going to try and set the tripod up here, but I got this for lipsticks, this for beauty blenders, this for hopefully my ColourPop shadows, and this for eyeliner and lip liner. And you can also fit a few lipsticks in there, I think, but I doubt it because it don't look big enough. But maybe lip glosses, I don't know. But let's set you up and get into it. But if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you would not mind clicking that subscribe button down there and leave me a like if you enjoy my content. Now let's get into it. I want to jump in here really quick and say there will be a declutter video coming very soon, and that's where I will be showing you guys everything that I'm going to pick out to give away to between 2 to 4 winners when I do that video. So I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for that video so you can try and win some goodies. But it does hold them very good. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what those are for unless they're for the fatter ones, fatter eyeliners. They might work for these. Oh, they do. They work for the ColourPop lippies. So now I'm going to have to get a bunch more because I have a bunch more lippies. So that's not going in there. But to start off, let's start with this and see if the Super Shock shadows fit. They do. They just fit. So, I definitely am going to have to get a second one because I have way too many Super Shock shadows for just one. So I'll definitely be placing an order for another one, maybe 2, because I'm sure this ain't the end of my Super Shock shadow collection. It seems, you know, it's weird. Like, these are loose. This one is tight. Oh, I know why. Please come out. This is not a Super Shock shadow, I don't think. I think it is. Why is it so tight? That's weird. Set that one aside. See, the other ones fit just fine. Sorry if I bumped the camera. Okay. So we have one completely filled. So that's nice. That over to the side, and now I know I'm going to have to order another one. Actually, nope, my cream eyeshadows from ColourPop do not fit in there. I've only got 5 left, so I could just order one more and be fine. But for now, they can just sit in here. like they were before I got that. Okay. And then we'll set this back here since it's not going in here. I did have them all in these little ones, but that's not going to fit like that. So those are going to have to lay down. This is my highlighters, and I will show them to you guys. We have Highlight 01 Matte Radiance Baked Powder. This is from Laura Mercier. I remember getting this in a BoxyCharm. This is my e.l.f. cream bronzer kit that has never been touched because I'm kind of scared of cream bronzers. We have a blush from ColourPop, which can go in the blush jar. My Jaclyn Cosmetics blush and bronzer. I got Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. This is my NARS Orgasm blush. This is my loose highlighter from Profusion. I don't know the color. I also have this other color. We have, this is the Fenty Glow. This is 11. It's like a cream blush, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, it is. But I would use this for a bronzer. These are all the swatches of highlight from the other videos still. They have this, which is the Fenty Glow Balm. Is that what it is? Fenty Glow Diamond Balm. That's what it is. Let me swatch that for you. But if you don't like glitter, you will hate this. I'm trying to look at all that glitter. So, just saying. Then this is my favorite bronzer of all time. This is in 021 Sunlight. And this is a natural bronzer from Rimmel. As you can see, I love it. Then we have the Fenty Highlighter. This is Metal Moon. This is gorgeous. Not full of glitter. Just gives a glow. It's beautiful. Then I have my Ofra highlighter, Everglow from the Nikki Tutorials collab. It's got 3 different colors. Rodeo Drive. Oh, it's got Rodeo Drive. I don't remember the other 2 off the top of my head. We have my Milani highlighter in 04. This is the Hypnotic Lights. It's gorgeous. It has like a pink to gold shift. We have ColourPop highlighter. Super Shock Cheek is what they call it in Spellbound. Beautiful. Look at that purple shift. Then I have Hippo, which is literally one of my favorites. It's like a violet purple. And then I have Out of Court, my definite second favorite. Which I can put these over here. There we go. Then we have my Too Faced Love Light Ray of Light highlighter. We have my Kimchi Thaylor Get Glow. It's a highlight. It's got 2 different colors. It just gives you a glow. And then there's the other color on top of it. I just like it because it doesn't look like you have highlighting. Then this is the Thaylor Blush. This is Peachy. Sorry, highlight was in Hollywood Glow. This is Peachy. This is a blush. That is very light, but it's gorgeous. Oh. Then I have the new Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlight in iced. I adore that. So let's get these all sorted. Why are you in here? This is that liquid eye from She Glam. It's gorgeous. Okay, so we have all of those. Now these are, I don't know what all this is. I know those are lip scrubs. These are eye products. Okay. This is Solstice, like glitter pigment from Makeup Geek. We have this orange glitter from ColourPop. We have both of these liquid shadows. That has a purple shift. That's just like a bronzy gold. And then we have this one from Huda Beauty that has the matte and the shimmer. I have this one from e.l.f., which I love. Then I have this glitter from ColourPop. We also have this highlight, which was the Cruella from last year or 2 years ago's Disney Villains. Then I have this highlight from Profusion. You guys, this is the holographic highlight. I have to show this to you. Okay. And it's so creamy. Look at that. It is gorgeous, that shift. And look, when you can't see the shift, it barely looks like anything's on, and then bam. Beautiful. This is a beautiful highlighter, and I think it's like $5. Then I have my Juvia's Place highlight. This is in Nefertiti. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Looks like that. Is beautiful, but it has glitter. So again, if you don't like glitter, this would not be for you. I'm going to need to order more than one more of those ColourPop things. Look at this. We have this one. Here's a blush. This one. That one. No point to keep saying that one. That's a beautiful, I remember that one. That's a beautiful. Another blush. And that one. So 3, 6, 9, 10 more on top. And this holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16. And I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So one more will work. I forgot about all these. Oh, here's a glitter from Profusion. Then I have all these pigments. So let me see if these fit. No. So we're going to fill up, oops, a second one. I just put them in here in doubles like that. That was the way I found to be the easiest. And then we'll put these little ones in. Well, no, that won't work. I remember now because I already tried that. So the lip stuff. Put these in here for now. Set this over here. Oh, I almost lost you guys. Okay. Just making sure you guys could see. Start putting our lips in. This was a Profusion lipstick, you guys. And it was gorgeous. Oops, backwards. Sorry about the light. Maybe I should turn it this way. So back to that Profusion lipstick. You guys can't really see it that well, but it is a gorgeous color. This is a Morphe, a red. Sorry, I don't have all my lights on. Oh, it fits. Hallelujah. This is one from ColourPop. Beautiful color. This came with my Elsa collection that I got bought. I hope these Fenty ones fit. I knew it. I remember Paige Corn saying they don't. Are the... Oh, yes, hallelujah. The ColourPops fit. Weird, they only fit on the end ones, but that's fine. We can work with it. It's a Juvia's Place. Another ColourPop. I'm probably gonna have to order another one of these too. This is my clear Otaku Baby. No, they don't fit in any of them. I'm going to put my balms up front. This is my lip injection from Tarte. This is this is the High Key Gloss from Kimchi. Just because it's taller, I'm going to put it in the back. This says Rowan on the lid, so I'm guessing that came from a BoxyCharm. These are ColourPop lip tints, and I absolutely love them. I doubt these are going to fit. Nope. Oh, they fit there. Hallelujah. They must be different sizes. So, all of my Fenty Gloss Bombs. Sorry if the lighting's not the best, but none of them fit. So, we'll just stick them in there. Okay. All of my Jaclyn Cosmetics from the Valentine's collection. This is the I Heart Revolution that went with the cherry ones. Here's my Plumping Clear Gloss from ColourPop. This is a color drench that came from Sally Beauty, and it's amazing. Okay, we have all my, let me straighten them out. All three of my Laura Lee. These are all my Profusion. There's 4. Oh, I lied. This is Kylie. And when I bought it, it looked like it was a lighter nude on the packaging, but that's okay. I kept it for fall time. This is a Morphe Lip Crayon. This is a Morphe Gloss. Sorry guys, but I gotta turn this a little bit. This is a little Sigma one. And these are all from Huda. So let me me see. I would like to have them all together. That lip crayon's gonna go in there. I wish I could fit two in one. Okay, they're all in the front row. That's it. It's empty, you guys. We just had enough room, so I definitely need to order a second one. Well, this Sigma I've never used, so I'm going to put it in my Fenty Gloss Balm. See, I wish I'd ordered another one. I could put my cream blushes, so I'm definitely going to order another one. Move that back. Oh, I lied. There was more in there. What do we have in here? These are my Color Pops that I just got. More Laura-Lees, so these need to go with the other Laura-Lees, even though those are lip glosses. My 3 from Michaela's collection with Glam Light. Definitely need to order another one, guys. No doubt about it. Oh, I'll just take my bombs out. And I put the 3 there, all the Laura-Lee back there, but I'll give you guys a better look at the end. Now it's time for this. So we're going to get all of our lippies in there. Not all of them. I will show you after. I had the big box of lippies. Then that Jeffree Star. And I'm going to put the lip liners in the front row and the eyeliners in the back. My Lorac, however you say it. Okay, put the rest in there. And then we have some more eyeliners over here, which is, I'm now getting into this big thing. Another Jeffree Star lipstick. Trying, guys. Okay, now this is going to be for different powders and things. We're going to go ahead and throw all the beauty blenders in here, which is exactly what I bought it for. Because I have so many. They need washed, but for right now, they're just going in. That is trash. It has a lid to keep dust off of them. And I will put all the big things like that. I will link them. And I'm putting that blush and bronzer and highlight in this drawer as well. This is a Haus eyeshadow palette. Haus Laboratories. I could say it right. This is a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer, and 2 mini lips that I've never even opened. We got some concealers, sharpener, a Morphe 2 Restart Detox Face Wash, and the Skin Tint 2. This is definitely way too big, but it can go there. We have all the foundations. This is a Morphe Blush Trio. Well, if it's still in one piece. And it is. She held up from a 10-story drop. Okay, so we have the Fenty Beauty Foundation. We have Profusion Way to Glow. It just gives your, it's like a body highlight. We have the Becca Foundation. We have the She Glam Foundation, which I loved. One of my favorites, the Pretty Fresh from ColourPop. Pretty Fresh. Okay, this is also the Pretty Fresh Foundation. Pure 4-in-1 Foundation. We have a Fenty Sample Foundation. We have Collab Foundation. One of my favorite all-time foundations. This is e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. It is in the color, I cannot see, Cool Something. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous foundation. Honestly matches me better than any foundation I've ever worn. We have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, the dewy one. We have the ColourPop Stick Foundation. We have the Juvia's Place Foundation and a Juvia's Place Stick Foundation that was way too light. And then these are all primers. These are all primers. And a glitter glue. Okay, so those will go when I set up my skincare thing. Okay, well this is definitely not going in there like that because it's taking up too much room and I want to put this in here. So I'll just show you guys really quick. I have the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I have a Profusion Contour Light and Medium. I have a Dose of Colors concealer. We have the Kimchi concealer. We have a corrector and a concealer from Jeffree Star. We have my favorite, which is the ColourPop Full Coverage Concealer. It's another one of those contour, but this is a highlight stick. Juvia's Place Concealer, which one dot will cover an entire mountain. I have the Peach Too Faced Concealer in a pot, and I love that. Then I have the She Glam Concealer, which is actually a really nice concealer, guys. And then I have a refill and a almost Alamar an Almost Gone Alamar Cosmetics eye primer. We have the new I Sing eye primer from Glamlight. I have a CC cream, and I have a Clinique foundation, little like samples. A clear brow gel, which I don't know why it's in there. I have a glitter glue from Profusion. Now I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite powders. This is the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder, which is gorgeous. I do love the Jeffree Star powder. This is just a smaller e.l.f. light to medium, that's all it says, powder. I got the Coty Airspun powder, how could I not? This right here, the Everyday Vacay setting powder by Ciate London, is my favorite setting powder of all time. We have a Fenty Beauty Violet, or Lavender, I'm sorry, and we have a She Glam setting powder. That's all for the setting powders. We have an e.l.f. Putty Primer, and we have a Glam Glow Primer, which I've never used Glam Glow. And then we have our setting sprays, which will be going on top. Now, I need to put this together, and I'll be right back. But before I do, this is what I meant by the big box of lippies. I also got the big cup of lip liners. And by the way, this is my favorite eye makeup remover. My favorite eye makeup remover is the oil-free eye makeup remover from Neutrogena. It's the only one that does not hurt my sensitive eyes. And the Clinique Balm for removing your makeup is amazing. So let's get to putting this together. It came with this extra little jar, I guess, for Q-tips. It is this, by the way. Because we all know I have way too much skincare. Put that down first. Okay. Slide those together. Put them in the holes. You know what? It'd be easier to do one at a time. Does it keep from coming up is what I'm wondering. Okay, whatever. And then put the top on. Then you gotta take these little tiny rubber rings, and I'll show you what you do with them in a second. I like these little rubber bands. They look like this. And they're very easy to put on. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness they gave me 2 extra of those because I lost one. So this is what she looks like. Beautiful. So, they gave me this little pot. Oh, well, I took the tape off. Okay, anyways, they gave me this little thing extra that, Well, it doesn't go up there. I thought it did, but that's very cute. I'm sure I could use it for something. So let's get this cleared off. And we'll get that put up there. Oh, I forgot about these. Sorry guys, I know it's not the best view or angle, I should say, but I've been wanting one of these for so long. And I finally have it. And I'm so happy. Let's see. Trying to figure out how I want to do my desk. Okay. I also want to jump back in here really quick and say, when I do the declutter video, there will be things that I pick out for a giveaway that will be swatched with a finger only one time. So don't enter the giveaway if that will bother you at all. I just want to put that out there because I don't want to give somebody something without them being for sure knowing that it's been swatched. We're going to start off with the highest shelves and get the tall bottles in there. These are all setting sprays, and this is a brush cleaner. I love this stuff from Wet n Wild, from the Rose collection. This is this Rose Primer Serum. I love this. You guys, if you don't own one of these, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I also have this Neutrogena Makeup Remover Melting Balm. You guys, this works amazing. But we still have all of this makeup to put away. So, it's gonna go in here. Oh look, this is perfect. That is awesome. Wow. Okay. Put my blushes in there. Those are extra. Those will sit up there for now. We have these two eyeliners. So that one, I'll actually get rid of this nude one because it's so old. Get another one. More cheeks, more liquid eyeshadows. How pretty is that? This is from iHeart Revolution. I have my Jaclyn lip, and we have this gloss. We'll just set them there for now. This is my This is my Glamnetic magnetic eyeliner, and I do have all my lashes down there. We have the Lush Life palette. So we're going to start putting palettes in here, you guys. So there was that Dominique Cosmetics palette that I just got from BoxyCharm. The Ola Honey Blush. We got our e.l.f. BB and CC creams. We have this Heart Revolution palette. We have the Wet n Wild Tinted Moisturizer, and we have the Super Stay Powder by Maybelline. We have the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Moisturizer. We have the Go Big or Go Home KVD Mascara. We have the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder. Sorry about that. We have the NYX Marshmallow Primer. We have the Revolution Beauty Coconut Powder. So I don't think I can fit all of these in here. We got the Vacay palette. Don't forget to enter the Hello Kitty giveaway for the eyeshadow palettes. Candy Skies, Rouge Romance. We have all the colored Revolution palettes. These are Morphe magnetic palettes with magnetic shadows from Makeup Geeks. $10 bags. We have the Lunar Beauty Facelift palette, which I think I'll keep all my newer palettes up here so I can make sure I use them. This is Sleek Makeup. I can't wait to use these. They're like cream highlights. We got the Michaela highlighter. This Morphe highlight palette. We got the Mega Destiny Baked Highlighter from Revolution Beauty. We have the Revolution Pro Highlight Palette. We have our Rude Cosmetics eyelashes. Here is the one, but like pink, but it was white. We have a mascara primer. We have the Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. We have the Dose. It is Doucce blush. Sophia Mabella. Hope I'm saying that right. We got the Revolution Reloaded palette. Revolution Kisu palette. This Revolution blush highlight palette that I've been wanting for a long time, and I now finally have. We have Beauty by Pop Sugar highlight and bronzer, I think, or maybe 2 highlights. That was from a boxy pop-up. We got the Cover FX face palette, and I have these that I've yet to show you guys. I got off Amazon. They are eyeliners. And I have these 3 Norvina palettes. And I got this beautiful highlighter. It is the shade, it says Revolution Pro Luster Highlighter White Rose. How beautiful. Hey guys, are we ready? First drawer, all my Super Shock shadows and highlights and blushes. Then liquid eyeshadows and glitters and things like that. Come on, focus, camera, what are you doing? Then these are all liquid lips, lipsticks, and things like that. Same with this. And these are Fenty glosses that wouldn't fit. Next drawer. It looks kind of sloppy, I know, but this is all the foundations, tinted moisturizers, and things. Eye primers. These are all powders. These are all concealers. And these are all highlights, blushes, mostly highlights. And then this goes back into where we were at. I put more face palettes and highlights and things in there. The ColourPop drawer. The big palette drawer, which there's more coming to put in it. More eyeshadows. And more eyeshadows. Then we have different serums. These are face sprays, setting powders, sorry. More setting powders. Different moisturizers and things. More serums and toners. Toners, sprays and serums. More serums. More serums. And back to the original serums. Then up here is just what wouldn't fit down there, which isn't much. Then this is all of the lips, but definitely not all of them. This is all the eyeliners and different lippies. All of my beauty blenders in here and face things in there. This is what's left over, and this is where I'm going to put my new palettes so that I can remember to use them. But I have a lot of Jeffree Star lip stuff in there that I need to go through. Now I know I look a wreck, lovelies, but this is real life. And whenever YouTuber can be full-faced makeup, glammed up, looking the bomb, after doing hours of what I just did, I don't know if that's even possible because I couldn't. I'm looking real, sorry I was so close to my face. But this is just real life and how I look at 2 a.m. while I'm trying to put things away in front of me. But if you guys enjoyed this, please consider subscribing, ring that bell, leave me a like if you enjoyed my content, and most of all, comment down below. Did you guys enjoy this video? You know, let me know, let a girl know. Because if you didn't, I need to know so I don't make more and bother you with them. But with that said, I will let you guys go so I can get in the shower and get to bed. Thanks for watching, lovelies. Bye.